Okay, in the second part of your learning reflection, your teachers are asking you to assign yourself a letter grade that you think fairly represents your progress. And it says, be sure to explain why you would assign yourself that letter grade. You have an option. You can type your explanation, you can record a video, or you can record your voice doing this explanation. Here's how you use Flipgrid.com and Vocaroo.com to record a video and your voice. Let's first go to Flipgrid. All right, you'll need to log in to begin with, and you should be able to use your Boston Public email address to log in. When you log in, your screen will look a little different than mine because I'm a teacher, but you should have this option that says Shorts up here at the top. If you click on Shorts, then you can record a short and it brings up your camera. Hello! You can click record and you would say something like, I think I deserve an A this term because I have worked hard to learn the reading strategies. I found figurative language in every piece of notes for punching the air, and I have written a poem that uses simile, metaphor, and personification. Then you click next, and you would say something like, I think I deserve it. Great. You watch your video, make sure you like it. You can edit your video there, and then finally, when you're finished, you can upload it. And now once your video is uploaded, it gives you a link which you can copy, and then you can put that right in this part of the learning reflection. Just edit and paste. All right? So that's if you want to record a video. If you would like to record your voice, you would click on Vocaroo, which will take you to this simple website, and all you do is click on the red button and you would begin talking. Hello, I think I deserve an A, and then you would give your reason. Click on the pause when you're done, and you can listen to it to make sure it sounds good. Then click save and share. It gives you the link. Copy the link, and you can put that in here, and that will suffice as your explanation. So several ways to give your explanation of your grade. I look forward to seeing however you choose and whatever you have to say about your grade.